Well, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
It's Monday, February 4th, and we are doing some work here, as you can see, if I can kind of scoot around here a little bit. This is our grape plant here. Let me see if I can get my back to the sun here so it'll be a little bit better. This is our grape plant that was given to us from Joseph, and really seems to be doing good. We've got it planted in solid compost and it seems to have taken off real well. So we're building some wire ways for it and trying to train it to go here. Andoy over there is digging another hole. We're going to put another pole in and run the wire over there. And we've got another grape plant out in our field that isn't doing so well. So we're going to try to see if we can replant it over here and strictly in compost and see if we can get it kind of back to life again. But this plant here is doing so well, and I'd love nothing better than to have some grapes here. And we've heard some people have had success with it in the Philippines here. So we're going to give it a try. Like I said, we're always kind of experimenting here with things to do and planting things and replanting things because the soil here is so much different than I'm particularly used to back into the States. Where we have some really good topsoil there, and now that my compost pile is finally getting to the point where we're having a little bit of an excess, even though when planting season comes it goes pretty quick. See if we can do the grapes a favor here, but and we want to thank Joseph and Annette for thinking of us and giving us this plant here. And like I said, so far doing extremely well. And let's keep our fingers crossed here that maybe we can grow a few grapes, and then maybe later on down the line take some of the roots and the rootings and that and grow some grape plants here and that. They seem to like the shade here. There's a lot of shade in our front yard, and we found out that the sun is so intense here that a lot of the plants just really need in the shade where they get a little bit of sunlight during the day. So I'm going to let you all go, and that's just kind of updating you here with what we're doing. Starting another week here in February. And you know us, we're always trying something different and trying something new, and I guess that's what makes us successful here, is just trying to locate the means that we can grow these different types of plants and flowers and vegetables. So I'll say goodbye. I'm back here as usual, and and we'll talk to you again soon.